Welcome to day 58 of our vocabulary journey. In this video, we'll explore 24 essential English words that you must know to excel in exams and daily conversations. These words are categorized based on their similar meanings, making them easier to learn and remember. If you've missed our previous videos, check them out. Category 1. Evidence and clarity. Let's start with the first word, evidence. Evidence. Facts are information that prove something. For example, the lawyer presented strong evidence to support his case. Evident. Clearly seen or understood. His nervousness was evident during the speech. Testimony. A formal statement given in a court of law. The witness's testimony helped solve the mystery. Indication. A sign or signal that shows something. A high fever is an indication of infection. Proof. Something that shows a fact is true. He showed his passport as proof of identity. Witness. A person who sees an event happen. The police interviewed a witness to the accident. Clue. A piece of evidence used to solve a mystery. The detective found a clue at the crime scene. Category 2. Obvious and transparency. First up, obvious. Obvious, easy to see or understand. It was obvious that she was excited about the trip. Apparent, clearly visible or understood. His disappointment was apparent from his expression. Transparent, see-through or easy to understand. The glass wall was completely transparent. Conspicuous, easily noticeable. She wore a conspicuous red dress to the party. Obtrusive. Too noticeable in an unpleasant way. The huge logo on his shirt was obtrusive. Category 3. Clear and direct communication. Our first word is explicit. Explicit, stated clearly with no confusion. The instructions were explicit and easy to follow. Definite, certain or clear. She gave me a definite answer about the job offer. Markedly, in a noticeable way. His performance has improved markedly. Frank. Open, honest, and direct in speech. He was frank about his mistakes. Candidly, speaking honestly and directly. She candidly admitted her fears. Candid, honest and truthful. He gave a candid opinion about the project. Ingenuously. In an innocent and straightforward manner. She ingenuously shared her childhood memories. Category 4. Indirectness and mystery. Let's start with indirect. Indirect, not straight to the point. He gave an indirect answer to avoid the question. Obscure, difficult to understand or not well known. The meaning of the poem was obscure. Category 5. Movement and force. First, we have propel. Propel, to push something forward. The strong wind propelled the boat across the lake. Thrust, to push something suddenly and forcefully. He thrust the door open. Motion, movement or the act of moving. The dancer's smooth motion was mesmerizing. Which of these words do you find the most useful? Comment below and subscribe for daily vocabulary lessons.